gold medal. Yes! Is it done? Is it over? Is it finished?
Oh, that's not going to be out. That's out of the park. That's out of here. The six machine is off again.
And there goes that bubble gum.
Oh, he's got him. Has he got him? He's certainly got Ben Dunk. He's managed to catch himself a left-handed batsman from Queensland.
Have a look at this, but this is absolute gold. Round the wicket, slower ball, tries a little reversey, up she goes. Where is it? The top edge, where? I can't see it. Chatters! Do-si do your partner. That's a new dance move out of the West Indies.
Oh, that is absolute gold.
Umar Khan has been pumped out of the ground.
Easy as you like. How well does Ben Dunk play these strokes? Has he got enough of this? He has. This one's bigger.
Staying deep in the crease.
Game's in hand.
Here we go again. Third six of the over. Benny with the Jets.
Now this is a glorious strike.
375 gold medals in Pakistan. There are just boundaries everywhere, and it's just happiness. Kiran, one of the best swimmers Pakistan has. You bring us so much joy and pride. What is your ultimate goal now?
Holy smoke! Bat City for the Volga. He's got 50 to boot as well.
Simply keep going. 276 in this tournament. And the Lahore Qalandars, the crowd, come alive. What a start of the over. He's dealing in sixes. Another wonderful stroke, 90 meters. Game on.
Second fastest half-century ever for a Lahore player.
And get down! Oh, brilliant! 4 more. Thought for a split second it was going all the way again. Oh! Unstoppable! He's taking on the guy on the move. It's full tonight, and so's Benny D. 100 partnership, courtesy of the Queenslander.
Job will be done.
And boom! He's got another. There's 10 for all you cricket lovers. Oh, smoking! And there is 3,000 runs in T20 for Funky Donkey. Looking for the Sancho. Radar slightly off, but I tell you whose isn't. Put a hostess on that one as well. Battered. There's his 11.
Yes. Is it done? Is it over? Is it finished? Yes. What an inning. 281 sixes. No better than this one.